Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the best ways to get traffic to your affiliate links. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the best ways to get traffic to your affiliate links. So the very first one is paid traffic. And you know, the downside to this is you're going to have to learn it, and therefore you're going to lose, you know, some money at the beginning. If you already have some money from, you know, maybe your job or something like that, then you could, you know, dive into that, but it's going to be extremely hard for small commissions, you know, because you're going to have to be sure to spend less money than what is, you know, your product is going to pay you. So you have to be aware of that. But, you know, paid traffic is extremely good as well for high commission offers. Like if you're trying to sell something that's extremely expensive, then you can make, you know, some money out of that with paid traffic. So paid traffic, you know, is very scalable, you know, depending on how much you're willing to spend. But if you reinvest your money, it can absolutely work. The next one is traffic you force, and this is extremely hard unless you have a service that is irresistible. So what I mean by traffic that you force is basically you DM people and tell them this is a way that, like, this is something that I have, are you interested? And you know, you DM 1,000 people and you're going to, you know, work it out. Now, if it's going to be extremely hard for most cases, but if you have a service that's irresistible, it can absolutely work. What I mean by service that's irresistible is you say, okay, I can get you, you know, 10,000 leads in the first week, and you know, you only have to pay me the second week if you want to stay on, but if you don't want to stay on, you don't have to pay me anything. Basically, that's irresistible because they get everything, they get to test your product, and only if it works, then they stick around. So that's something that, you know, you can do if you're trying to sell something that's a service that's irresistible and also maybe quite expensive, because you're going to have to DM a lot of people. So a lot of people are not going to, you know, like it and not do it. So the third way, and I believe this is the best way, is generated free traffic. What I mean by generated free traffic is what I'm doing now. That's YouTube, that's, you know, Instagram, that's having a blog, that's all these different things is generate free traffic. So it does take a while to build up, you know, it takes some time, but once you have it built up, it just keeps growing and growing and growing, and that is how you actually make real money out of affiliate links. So, you know, maybe it's a high ticket, you can sell that because people recognize you, they know you, they trust you, so, you know, you can sell expensive things. Maybe it's a, you know, product that's recurring. It's, you know, the same idea. People trust you and they believe in what you're trying to sell. Like for me, it's Builderall. You know, you can do all these different things, and you know, it's just going to grow and grow and grow, because paid traffic, if you put in more money, you can grow. But traffic you force, you only have 24 hours in a day. But if you make YouTube videos, people can watch that video when you're sleeping, eating, going out, you know, it doesn't really matter. But that is, you know, generated free traffic, to me, is the best way. Not only are you not spending money on ads, but it's also very scalable. So that's a very good way to do it. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you got a ton of value out of it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.